Okay, so for our last two sets of inserts, we have the cardstock inserts and we have the pocket inserts. So we're going to we're going to do the cardstock inserts first. So what I typically will do with these is just do a nice big photo mat, add Chit Chat, that kind of thing to those. You can leave them as is. You can add, take like leftover papers and add pockets, or, really, actually, that's probably how I would do that one. Let's actually do that. That's kind of cute. I like that. So I would take this piece and I'm going to glue it down off on that side there. I've literally been working through my scraps from this collection because I have a lot of scraps. And then I've got a 5x7 photo mat that I'm going to put on there like so. And then literally just except I just put that on there crooked, a, Chit Chat, something like that. I could add one of my stickers, like put this on, punch a circle for this to fit on, and put that on there. So actually, let's do that since that's super easy to finish off this page. Let me find my 2.5 inch punch. And another scrap of white cardstock. And I'm just going to take that sticker. I'm going to center it on my cardstock piece here. Oh, that really wants to stick. I didn't get it centered. There we go. Much better. Yeah, so I can just take that. What did I do? Just pick up one of my pieces. And we can put that down in that corner. And there you go. So that one's ready to go. What I'm going to do, however, with two of these is I'm going to use these to mat the inside front and back cover. Okay. So I am going to cut these down to 6 1/4, which is going to put it right about where the holes are punched. Okay. And then I can use this to mat the front and back inside cover of my book. Okay. And then, of course, you can do whatever embellishments on that you would like. And yeah, that'll be a good one. Okay. Like so. Let me grab the other one. Get some glue on here. Like so. And there you go. So stick around and I will show you all of this put together. I stopped that and realized I didn't do my other pages. Okay, so the other page set that is included in the Doodlebug albums are these pocket pages. You have a traditional pocket and then you have a side load. What's cool about the side load is you can actually, they come in the book like this with the pocket on the right hand side. You can actually turn these around and have the pocket go on the other side and have it be on the other side of the page. So that's what we're going to do with this one. And then these, of course, if you do that, then your pocket's upside down. But there went my matting. They're super easy to mat. You can decorate them as much or as little as you would like. they're just a really fun edition and different, and honestly probably my favorite thing about these 6x8 albums. So let's go ahead, put a couple of these together. I've got 2 done already. So all I've done here is my matting for this pocket is 6 by 2 7/8, and then I've got a 6x8 piece that I put in the back here. You wouldn't have to actually do a full 6x8 if you didn't want to. You could do a 6 by 5 1/4, 6 by 6, so that it tucks down in there a little bit. I went ahead and did it the full length. And then on the back, I've just matted it again with a 6x8 and added a couple of photo mats. Same thing here with this one. I've used one of the journaling cut aparts because they are pretty much perfect for this specific pocket page. So the pocket itself is 3 inches, so I actually cut a little off of each side on this. So this is 2 7/8 by 8. And then again, this is actually a 4 by 8 piece, a leftover. And then again, I've just matted and added a photo mat on the back. So let's take a look at our normal pockets. So I've got my piece here cut to 6 by 2 7/8. So we're going to just go ahead and put this one down. And actually, these are another place to use those 3 by 4 cut aparts that are turned the other direction. Again, I've got my 6 by 8 here. This is a blue jean gingham linen, which is one of my favorite petite prints. I really love all the petite prints, but, well, no, I take it back. There's one I don't use super often. It really depends on the paper, and that would be the floral graph. It's just not my thing, but that's okay. All right, so on the back, I've got a 6 by 8, and again, we're just going to glue this on. I could do it with the pattern side up. I could do it face down. I think I will do it pattern side up, just because I love the collage prints. It's one of my favorites. That, and I'm pretty much out of, well, no, maybe I do have one more sheet of the, oh my gosh, that woods pattern that's like this one, that it's kind of the ombre rainbow up through with the woods. I have like one piece of this left because I used all of it because it was my favorite out of the entire collection. Okay, so for this one, for the back side, I've just got my snowmen, and I think I am going to do the snowflake side up on this one, because that way, that will allow me to decorate the back of this using just my odds and ends and things, and not have to do a photo mat because it's already a light colored, so that whatever picture I end up with, I say that as if I'm actually going to find pictures, because we all know I'm terrible at that, can just go directly onto the page. So I've got my cut apart here, and you'll see, put that in there so you can see where the edge of that is. So you can see this is exactly the same width as the pocket. I want that little bit of border, so I am going to trim that down. And we're going to cross our fingers that this trimmer is going to work today, because sometimes it does not want to cooperate when it's very small cuts like that. And we're good. Okay. Whoop. There we go. And then I've got another petite print here. And again, this is just part of my cutoff for my 6 by 8 from my chipboard inserts. And that way it slides down in the pocket a little bit. And then we've got, oops, and there we go. So, like I said before, when I didn't really mean it yet, come back at the end here in just a minute, and I will show you the whole album put together. And here we are with the finished book. So I used everything that came with it. It's a little chunky, but not bad. Of course, there's no pictures in it yet, but most of my stuff, as you probably know by now, doesn't always get pictures, and I am debating if I have enough snow pictures of my son to fill this up. I'm not sure yet. If I do, I'll share it. So on the front, we've got bits and pieces, odds and ends, icon sticker, Chit Chat, and of course our little mountain shaker. And then as you get inside, we used the cardstock inserts to mat both the front and back inside cover. We've got a nice big photo mat here, odds and ends, and Chit Chat. On our first chipboard insert, we've got a nice little waterfall here, very simple. On the back side, we've got another photo mat with odds and ends and some bits and pieces and Chit Chat. Actually, no, I think that's bits and pieces too. First 6x8 page, we've got our photo mat inside the page protector, and we've decorated the outside of the page protector. So it doesn't matter, what size photo we end up putting on here. We're not going to have to worry about, is this in the right place where it's going to be in the way? Same thing on this side. All of my embellishing on this has been, on the page protector specifically, has been on the outside of the page protector so that you can very easily slip this out, add your photos, and then slide it right back in and not have to worry about where the embellishments are placed. So we've got odds and ends and Chit Chat. Here we've got stickers from the This and That sticker sheet. This one was actually matted with the, the photo mats in here are from the the 6x6 pad. On the back, we've used some of the words from the This and That sticker sheet. Here is our first pocket insert, and I did flip this one over so the pocket's on the other side. And on the back here, we've got a Chit Chat piece that, of course, is loose to slide a photo underneath. And on the back side, we've got the pocket that is matted with the journaling cut apart. Here on the next chipboard insert, we've got a little fold out, and I did leave the inside of that blank so it's ready for pictures. I matted that, of course, with the border sheet, and then my background on a lot of these is going to be the petite prints that coordinate in colors that coordinate with the collection itself. And then I've got a This and That sticker there. All of the chipboard tabs are covered with the little tab pieces from the bits and pieces. Backside, we've got just another nice layout page. Here we've added a flap with our photo or pocket there. Cut aparts, journaling cut aparts. On the pages themselves, I've added some of the icon stickers. This one, I added some of the odds and ends pieces. And again, I got these two photo mats from the 6x6. Backside, I've got the sticker from the This and That sticker sheet. This is also from This and That I was just have backed on a circle. And this is one of the cardstock inserts. Same thing here. I've got just some scraps of my favorite paper in the entire collection, and then a photo mat. And then on our next chipboard insert, we have another small waterfall with the 3x4s that are oriented landscapes, so they don't fit in the 3x4 pocket pages, at least oriented the correct direction. So I've done a little waterfall with those. Another photo mat, another one of our pocket pages, layouts, icon stickers, This and That stickers, odds and ends pieces. This is another one of our pocket pages. And again, we've done the same on the back. This photo flip, again, is just like the previous one. It's not matted on the inside. I've just used the This and That sticker on the front, and that is on the chipboard insert. Got another nice photo spot back there. Mini icons on some of these pages to help decorate those. Bits and pieces, Chit Chat. And on these pages where I've got just that big piece with a small print, I did leave that without a photo mat because it really doesn't need one. On the other side, I've got essentially a 2-page layout where I've got my facing pages that have the same background paper, and it kind of flows together. And again, I kept that very simple on the back there. On this one, I added a big flap using the tag cut aparts and some of the puffy icons for the snowflakes and the little animals on here. This is actually a pocket, just a flat pocket on the back of that chipboard insert. And then, of course, you have your, a little bit bigger pocket or deeper pocket with the insert on this page. Again, photo mats, inserts, mini icons, more mini icons, and cut aparts. And this 6x8 page, I actually put a large mat in here and added a piece of the acetate just as a different kind of flip. And I did leave the inside of that plain as well. We've got this and that sticker sheet items, another little Yeti there, another one of our cardstock inserts here, and apparently glue off my finger. Another layout, and then again our other cardstock insert cut down to mat the back page of the book. So there you go. That is literally how easy these are to put together, and just some ideas of what you can do with these. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I post new projects. I'll be back again soon with something else. Bye.